Hello guys, welcome to Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited. Here in this video tutorial we are going to show you one of the most important website module that we have is the website mega menu. You can check out more details from Odoo App Stores. This is the price for the module, and here you can see the configuration and details about the mega menu module. Now let's go. Once you have purchased the module and installed it in your system, it will look something like this. Make sure if you want to know more about the technical data and features, you must have turned on the debug mode. Once you install the module, click on the website admin button, go to settings and click on the configuration website menu. Website mega menu would look something like this, as we have used in our own system. This is a customized one for our own use. You can customize it according to your need, of course. Here you can see we have configured lots of menus. The main menu is the services. Let's go and we'll show you step by step. Services is the main menu. So as you can see, click on edit, go to services menu. Yeah, here it is. Click on edit. Services is the main menu. It is a mandatory field. Menu name. The parent menu for this services menu will be top menu. You can give some URL for this as well. You can give some sequence, whether you want this link to be opened in a new tab. You can click this true if it is true. So when you click on the services button, it will redirect you and open it in a new window. Now if this is a mega menu, this is the customized configuration for the mega menu. So if it is a mega menu, you can say is mega menu true. Once it is done, it will ask you for the type of the mega menu. We will see both the types one by one. First we can select 4-column list, as we have done it. So that's that. Menu color you can select, and you can give whatever the menu color you wish to give, and the background color as well. Here we have given for background color as white and menu color as black. So that's that. You can see like this. Now the size of the mega menu, if you select large, it would mean it will contain the whole screen. If you select medium, it will leave some space on the left side, and on the right side let's just see it one by one. So this was the large. This is the large mega menu. If you select medium, click on save, reload, and tada. As you can see, there are some space left on the right side and just as well on the left side. And if you select small and reload, the size of the mega menu will be small and it will come on the right hand side. So that you can configure according to your need, of course. Here I'm going to put it to large, and that's that, and it is large. Now you make sure that you have selected website localhost or website 0.0.0. It's totally up to you. It's the best practice to select as website localhost and give sequence, background color, and also you can give background image for this as well. Let's select background color as red. Click on save button, reload it. As you can see, the color is red. So you can make it the way you want. It's completely dynamic. And if you click on edit and select the type as 4 color tiles, click on 4 colors. As you can see here, there are some other configuration like menu tiles color and icon class. You can see, click on save. By default it is far bars and color is this. Click on save button, reload it, and you will be able to see the difference mega menu. Here you can see, click on training. Now it is coming as a tiles, right? Now I'll show you how to configure the parent-child relation for this menu. Okay, so here you go. Let's say you want to, let's first change the type of the mega menu because I like the 4-column one better. Save it, reload it. Yeah, this is it. I don't like the red color, so I'm gonna put it to white again. You can say white. Simple as that. Now this is services is the main menu. Now on the top The parent menu for the services is the top menu. As you can see here, we have configured top menu is the parent menu and the service is the main menu, is the mega menu. Basically, for that you need to select is mega menu true. Once you have done that, let's say you want to put this is the main menu, this is the main menu, this and this. So all these four menus, Odoo Open ERP services, trainings, ERP products and e-commerce products will have parent as services. So let's go and just check what we have done here. So as you can see, Odoo Open ERP services has a parent menu services. The same way trainings menu has the parent menu as services. The same way ERP products has a parent menu services, and so on. Now you want to put all these four menus under Odoo Open ERP services, because for Odoo Open ERP services will be the parent menu for this four particular menus. So consulting, gap analysis, implementation, hire Odoo Open ERP developer will have the parent menu as Odoo Open ERP services. As you can see, this is the menu, hire Odoo Open ERP developer, and the parent menu for this menu will be Odoo Open ERP services, like this. And the same can be followed for all the other menus. Can change the color for the other menus apart from the services. You don't have to say is mega menu true, but of course you can change the menu color from here. That's not a problem, and the rest of the thing. Now one of the most important thing is for a menu is to have a URL for it. Let's say you want to click on the consulting button and you want to redirect it to a page. So let's go to serpent.com and go to consulting and copy the link address. Go to consulting menu, here it is, click on edit and provide a URL. This is the provided URL. Click on save button and reload. Now if I click here and click on the consulting in a new tab, as you can see here, it will open the consulting page. So basically you can give dynamic URL as per your requirement. Alright, so that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that you have liked our module and would purchase it. You can find out about more service and products that we have to offer from the www.serpentcs.com. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.